Welcome to a brand new tutorial series of anatomy for beginners. This is meant for absolute beginners to constructing anatomy in the world of art. I just got COVID, so sorry if my voice is a little bit weird, so please respect that, guys. But okay, the first question people ask themselves is, why should I learn anatomy? Why? I ain't gonna be a doctor. Creating characters is an extremely confusing and difficult process, and understanding anatomy helps you quickly construct new characters that looks and feel like they actually could exist. We humans are so used to see anatomy on a daily basis, so if there is a problem in a drawing or a sculpture, for example, we will see it directly. We won't see it in such an extent like on the human face. Skeleton without muscles would just be a pile of bones. The skeleton is the base structure, the proportions, but it needs muscles to be able to move. Muscles are in theory very simple, usually connects with two tendons connecting from one spot to another. The muscles can contract like this. The contraction changes the silhouette of the muscle, but muscles can also change form like the pectoralis major muscle, like this. But remember, the muscle still has the same volume. So muscles can bend and change the silhouette, which can be a pain in the ass for artists like myself. The next thing we're gonna talk about is fat and skin. Most of us get this depressing feeling and things about ice cream and working out. But fat and skin is super important for making sure there's nothing 100% sharp like this. Removing these super hard edges will make the skin look more natural. Fat pads make the overall skin look more saggy and less skinny, so it covers up a lot of the bony landmarks, which gives it more a huggable teddy bear look. Skeleton, muscles, fat, and skin, all of these layers add up and create more realistic and believable looking characters. In the next part, we will talk about how to think when combining all these different elements and how to put this knowledge into action.